Here we are at example 10 from our 5.1 set of notes. We are asked to simplify this following expression. And again, just like with 9, what we're going to do is start off by placing their exponents appropriately where they belong. So like, for example, these negative exponents, we're going to throw them where they should be. So we still have 27 on top. Just looking at this m, we know that we're going to have to throw him on the bottom and then change that exponent to a positive 2. The n cubed, he's still on top because he has a positive exponent. The p to the negative 4 we're going to bring on the bottom and then make that a positive exponent. Now looking at the bottom, we see that we have an 18. Well, he's still on the bottom, 18. An m to the 6th power, he's still a positive exponent, so we're keeping him on the bottom. The n raised to the 4th is still on the bottom. And the p raised to the negative 8, well, he has a negative exponent, so we're going to throw him on the numerator. So we end up then with p raised to the positive 8. So again, just really throwing the exponents appropriately where they belong. Now looking at things, we can pretty much just combine some like terms. So for example, the top we really can't do a whole lot with for right now, so we have 27n cubed p to the 8th. On the bottom, we have 18. Notice how we have an m squared and an m to the 6th. We are multiplying those like bases, so we're going to be adding those exponents. We have m raised to the 8th, p to the 4th, n to the 4th. And now we can go ahead and simplify the numerator along with the denominator. So 27 and 18, just looking at those two, looks like we can divide both of those by 9. So we would end up then with 3 over 2. We have n raised to the 3rd on top, n to the 4th on the bottom. Notice again, just like with how we did example 9, I'm looking at the exponent 4. It's larger than 3, so we're just going to subtract 3 from here. Get rid of that on top, and then end up with n raised to the 1st power. For the p, we notice that p has a higher exponent on top than the bottom, so we're just going to subtract that 4. P's gone from the bottom. End up with p raised to the 4th on top, and the m to the 8th is just m to the 8th. Nothing can really be combined with him, so he's still just hanging around on the bottom. And so this would be our most simplified version that we could get. Again, that is example 10 from our 5.1 set of notes.